This is chapter 4, number 8. You're going to find the perpendicular slope. So here we have the slope, the equation in y equals mx plus b, where we can get the slope very easily. We can say that the original slope has the value of m is equal to 4 over 3. Now we want the perpendicular slope. And to do this, we need to find the opposite reciprocal. So we first of all want to get the reciprocal, I believe, okay, which means that the 4 is going to go on bottom, the 3 is going to go on top. Then we want to find the opposite of that. It was positive, now it's negative, okay? And this is the new slope. M is equal to 3 over 4. Okay, so m is equal to negative 3 over 4 as the final answer as the perpendicular slope. Let's take a look at this one. Let's see if we can find the original slope. It's very hard because it's not in y equals mx plus b. So let's put it in y equals mx plus b. We're going to subtract 4x to both sides, leaving you with a 3y equals to negative 4x. Then you want to divide by 3 to everything. This cancels, leaving you with a negative. Y is equal to negative 4/3 x minus 5. Here we have the slope here, so we can say that the original slope is m is equal to negative 4/3, and we want now the perpendicular slope, and which is going to be the opposite reciprocal. So the reciprocal, the 4 goes on the bottom, the 3 goes on top. Okay, it was a negative. Do you see how it was a negative? But now we want the opposite of that. So now it's going to be a positive. So, and there's a 3 on top. So m is equal to positive 3 over 4. There you go. That is how you find the perpendicular slope. Make sure it is the opposite reciprocal. Okay?